All right, so we're going to try and learn how to add something into a OneNote notebook. We're going to use the Fine Arts notebook as an example for this. What I use is the web browser version of Outlook, so that's what the screen you see here. It's owa.wikbo.org if you are not familiar with it, or you can just look up Outlook in Google and find it. But log in there, and then I click the waffle on the left-hand side, and then we have all the Microsoft apps, including OneNote. So we're going to go to OneNote, click on OneNote, and let that load. And what you'll see here at this point from top to bottom are all the notebooks that you are linked up with. So if you have recently opened the Fine Arts notebook, you're just going to click on that. If not, you just need to find the shared link of the person who shared whatever notebook with you. So for this case, we're going to go with the Fine Arts notebook created by Dr. Jeffrey Bear. And then we're going to look at the notebook once it loads. So if you have a specific thing you would like to add as a resource, OneNote is fantastic with adding different pages. It is not a good resource to use when you want 25,000 people to edit one page. That is not what this is intended, but it's intended for multiple notebook pages. So for this case, I think what needs to be added is a calendar of sorts. So if you want to put in resources for learning, you click on that tab, and I need to hide my tools for a second, sorry. So you click on resources for distance learning, and then all you got to do is hit plus page at the bottom, and then you can do whatever, title it here. In this box up here, if it doesn't highlight, it says untitled, you just click on it. So you can write April calendar, and I'll put test because I don't really know. And then you can click anywhere on this page, and it'll create a text box that you can type in. For example. So there's that. I'm going to delete these using my delete button. So click and delete. Then if you want to insert an image or whatever, you just need to click up here and it'll allow you to insert. The reason why it was grayed out is because I was still highlighted at the title. Click on an area and then you can add whatever you need to add. If you want to add a picture, you can add it via these options. If you want to add a file, you can insert it as an attachment. I would avoid inserting it as a printout because it becomes like a big picture that no one can really use, and that kind of thing. So I think for your purpose, you might just want to add a picture. If there are more calendars that people want to do, it might be beneficial to maybe add a section of, one second, add a section of daily or activity calendar activities. And actually, I'll just add that now. So if you want to just add your stuff into this calendar activities and then just click a new page, and then you can do what you need. So I'm just going to delete these. I hope this helps so people can start adding their own things onto this. If you want to add your own resources, make sure you double check what's already here so we don't have a ton of overlap. And that is that. All right.